the ice field, we're going to make... Oh, that's huge. Can you put it down?
No.
Need to find some more big sticks.
我找到了。
Oh, that's a real... This one was Coach Brian. Put it through on one side. Tie all the boats to the wall. Can we try all the boats to the wall? What animal can you find in the water? Fish. I'll put it in the tank. We're gonna go on the I'm strong. I'm tough. I'm brave. I don't give up. I try my best.